today's training is about our obstetric the training simulator. Let me share the screen. So regarding, so for today, you requested the obstetric training simulator complete set. Actually, this is the combination of three simulator, the MW35 cervical assessment simulator and the vaginal delivery assistance simulator, the MW35, 36, and perineoplasty simulator, MW37. And the things included in this set so the body part, this one is a common between the MW35, MW36, and MW37. And what we do is we put the parts included in other set, and we use it for the different trainings. So let me explain one by one. And honestly speaking, the features of this simulator is not so much different from our other competitors, but except for one thing. So, Fadil-san, I have given you the skin for MW43, the very elastic one. And the same material is used for this, the female skin, the genital skin. And the feature of this simulator is that the genital skin is very elastic and durable. So for many competitors' items, after doing many deliveries, the skin can be easily teared. So, it won't be the effective trainings. But our skin used in simulator is very elastic and durable. And even if you put it strong, it cannot be easily be teared. So that's a very good features of this simulator. And the first function of this simulator is the delivery. So we put the skin cover, the abdominal cover, and we have the baby with the umbilical cord, and we have the placenta as well. And what we do is we connect the umbilical cord and placenta. And this is the replacement part, the lubricant. And we put many to the baby and the skin and inside. Otherwise, in the mother's body, we have lots of the waters inside, but this is normally no water. So without lubricants, it's very hard for the baby to come outside. But by using this, it can be smooth like an actual human body. So what we do is we put lots of lubricants, and we do the delivery, and you can practice the cutting the umbilical cord. So yeah, for the actual procedure, please look at the videos that I sent you. Yes. The replacement parts needed in this simulator is the lubricant. The three lubricants are included in one set, but the customers need to order if they do lots of trainings. Yes. And the umbilical cord, we include 10 pieces in one set. So usually and the customers do not ask for many umbilical cord, but if the customers practice many, they need.
They need to buy separately, yes.
The separately, if the customers use so many. So that's the first function, the delivery assistance. Any questions so far?
No.
No question. We can carry on.
Yeah, there are several other competitors, the 3B Scientific, Lim Sensing, and Koken for these items. But the features not so different. So, but our feature is the strength in the gender skin. And the second function is about the cervical assessment. So, let me show you. So first we put the skin inside, and there's a special cover for the cervical assessment. And we put it here. And there is, let me share the screen. This one. Just a moment. So, Fazlur-san, I know you have three kids. So I suppose you know, but in the delivery, the nurses and doctor needs to measure the Bishop score in cervical assessment, and we have the special holder, this one, to practice, and for this one. You can adjust the depth of the cervix, and we have five different.
Five types of cervical.
Yeah, 5 different kind of cervix. So you can put, and again So by changing the 5 different kind of the cervix, the kind of cervix is no dilation, 1 to 2 centimeters, 3 to 4 centimeters, 5 to 6 centimeters, and 9 centimeters. By changing the cervical dilation and by changing the depth of this module, and putting this module inside, you can set up and ask the students to do the cervical assessment. To do the cervical assessment like this. So for this one is to practice the cervical assessment and assess the Bishop score. Can you understand this about this?
Yes.
So maybe in Bangladesh the rule may be different, but in countries like Thailand and Malaysia, we sell a lot of this. So, mm, but yeah, this one used for the to measure the Bishop score.
Yes, in Bangladesh, cervical problem is most common.
Oh,
Like the breast cancer and cervical cancer is the most cause of death for the women. So for the cervical assessment, there are some cameras I seen they have used like camera and 5 megapixel camera for 40 megapixel camera to identify the spot and to uh, give them a report for whether there is a cancerous cell or not. I have seen in the hospital. One company from Sweden, they are now doing the clinical trial in Bangladesh, in BSMMU. So the hospital, Dhaka Medical College, we go very nearby that hospital. So this is the cervical assessment for the student to know what diameter, any dilation is not there or not. They have to tell their teacher and they have to confirm whether they are right or not, right?
yes, yes.
Understand.
Yeah, so I understand that there are the medical devices for the cervical direction assessment, and but this one for the students in the basics.
Yes, basics, yes. Understand.
Okay, so this is a second function of this simulator. And the third function is about the perineal suture. So for this one. So there is the perineal tear here. So the teachers can, the students can practice suturing. And there is one tear here, but many customers, they cut by themselves and do another sutures. So yeah, they do a lot. And what the customers do is that yeah, they set this cover. Yeah, they set this cover and simulate the mother's body, and the students practice the suturing. So it's quite simple.
Yes.
So, this is all included in the MW40. And there is a baby powder. The powders to clean the.
Yeah.
Yeah, because for this one, not sure whether you can see. But some dots can remain on the top. If can you see the dots a little bit? It's a little bit dirty. So after use, we advise the users to use the baby powder to clean the surface. But this one not so frequently used. And the most common replacement part used is this lubricants. So and only 3 are included in the set. So maybe for the first time customers, I advise you to order some more lubricants for your demos and for the customers.
Yes, but basically we will give at the first time 3. Then when they are asking for us that we have ran out of the lubricants, then we'll ask them to order for a dozen. Like this, we will do. So this lubricant is made by your company or some other company?
Made by our company, and it's just a purified water. So maybe in Bangladesh you can get some similar lubricants or something.
In
Yeah.
that case, maybe the color will go different for the skin. So I think we will advise them to use our standard one.
Yes.
So, so that the product we have supplied them that is also safe for them. Otherwise, they would like to use many different kind of lubricants that will make our product maybe looking dirty or some spot came in the mannequins.
Okay. Okay. So that's all the explanation from my side. Any other questions from your side?
Arif, any other question from your side?
No other question from my side. Okay, I understand.
So, thank you, Arif. Get through it. Arif is, Wasasan Arif is learning very fast, and he ran through all the things quickly. And he is now a 1.5 month old employee in our team, but he is a quick learner. So he will be a frontline, what is a frontline lieutenant for us to go to the hospitals and meet the principals. So I think this training, what we are learning from you, it gives us strength because we see in the document, we see in the video, but when you talk on this, it takes us to some different level, and we can realistically talk to the customer what we have been going to supply them. So far our marketing activities is very slow, but gradually it will be increased from today or day or next week. So we'll be touching all the hospitals and nursing institute in Bangladesh to move to know Kyoto Kagaku product and to give us some water. So that what we are learning for. So it is a great effort by you, and immediately, hopefully, we will meet you in Kyoto with the paramedical 2 or 3 staff they want to come. And also, they have given me a little pressure on whether I can bring them there with my cost. So that is also I am thinking. I told them that maybe I will share half, and I will ask Kyoto Kagaku to share half. So is that possible for 2 person, 2 room for them for maybe 1 week, 7 days from your company? To sponsor them while they are in Kyoto for the training.
You mean for the accommodation?
Accommodation, yes, accommodation.
Sorry, I can't decide. So yeah, let me discuss with Georgie.
Yes, and ticket for 2 person. 1 person I will myself and 1 person from them I will give, and two person ticket. I think ticket will not be a good challenge because 800 to I think you know better. You came from Japan. It will be around 800 or $1,000 for both way.
I think something around that. Yes.
Something around that. And for hotel 2 room, another. You can keep them to 3 star kind of hotel is okay, or if little bit higher. So 120 to $140 per day is okay in Kyoto, or expenses more
You mean for the hotels?
for the hotel?
Usually, in current rate, around $100 is enough.
Not, okay, so
Yeah, you can get a good hotel in $100.
yes. So while giving the price, also you asked with that you can decide that put every items like $10, $10, maybe it will come to a position. So like this way, you can think so that it will be helpful for them, and they will know we are doing something for them, though with their money. But if we extend the hand, that will be better for them. Mr. Two doctor, they are eagerly waiting to have the training in Japan.
Yeah.
So I think after opening the LC and after starting the production, we can declare them a date that when they can go, and I will come with them for the training. And this is my thought on this. You can discuss and you can carry on this.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, let me discuss with Georgie about
Yes.
what we can
Yes.
pay for it and
Yes.
the Innova and the customer.
Yes. So this is all from our side. I am again requesting you to give the PI by today in
Yeah.
USD. That will be very much helpful for me to push them to open the LC, because I will pressure them that if you delay, then our price may get changed. It can increase or it can decrease. But the present trend is it is increasing. So you have to lock the price. You have to open the LC as soon as possible.
Yeah.
I'll be waiting for your document, and bring it in one file, not two separate PDF. One PDF, all the items.
Yeah. Not in one page. Only in one PDF. You mean?
Yes, not one page, one PDF. Maybe two or three pages, one PDF.
Yeah. Okay, and that's okay. Yeah. So I work on the PI as soon as possible.
Okay. Thank you.
I update you later.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. So thank you very much.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye bye.